Well, we're going to tell you how to do something that everyone should know how to do. We're going to teach you how to eat so you can get sexy.
Eat yourself sexy.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing.
Yep.
Well, Bush and Water is at Abba's Cuisine, ready to cook up a storm while showing us all the possibilities that we can do during this COVID period. Good morning.
We hear the kitchen sound.
Yeah, the kitchen start long time, so that me really interesting. What we're preparing today?
It's a zucchini pasta.
Oh, that sounds so good.
So sexy.
Absolutely delicious, Akira. We're using nothing but natural ingredients. The zucchini itself is the pasta, so we're not using any noodles.
So you use that
It's
to swirl it.
gluten-free, 100% preservative-free, all natural ingredients, and Chef is just gonna take it over right now with his infused oil, natural infused oil.
How you made the zucchini into pasta?
Yeah, spiralizer.
We spiralize it.
So what, you have a talk with you what you're adding,
What
So
is
you
that?
add some bell peppers, some green bell peppers, some tomatoes, pineapple.
Oh, Lord. I want some.
You should just be here to smell everything right now, guys. It's so delicious.
If you ever know how I'm hungry this morning, you would do that to me.
Yeah.
And then you just mix up that.
Yes.
Saute it.
Delicious. So everything is being infused right now. With some herbs, some sweet basil herbs.
Do you look hungry?
So I'm not talking at the interview, yeah? I'm not.
Oh, right ahead, chef. What we're adding now to it?
This is our coconut sauce.
All right.
Yes, Lord.
So the coconut sauce now is made with Irish potatoes. It's a herb coconut sauce. Fresh coconut. Look up the coconut and blend
Barbecue
it.
sauce.
Natural barbecue sauce.
No, sir.
And this meal itself, it helps you with your digestion.
And now we've added some black bean.
Black bean. So where is the zucchini?
Sit right there in front.
The zucchini is coming. We can't put too much of the zucchini in at first. We want to keep the ingredients as live as possible so that you get all the nutrients from the ingredients and it doesn't cook out too much.
Oh
This
my
is the chickpeas.
gosh, that looks so good.
He just added the chickpeas, and chickpeas is a really good meat replacement for persons who are just coming into the vegan food, the healthy lifestyle.
It's a herb season that we made.
By the way, you should see me and Dwayne in here. Like,
This smells so good.
2 steps away from
It
Lele
smells
water.
so good.
And now we'll be adding the zucchini. Zucchini is the last thing we add.
Well, one of the things that we want to talk about is Sakina and Dwayne is that when you add natural ingredients, you're getting everything from the plants to your body. And plant-based food means that you are eating live nutrients.
Yeah.
Nothing is dead. It still grows inside of you. It's still doing what it's supposed to do inside of you. So natural ingredients gives you a healthy digestion. It reduces. Ooh.
Salt bay.
Okay, so he was interrupted my train of thought with sesame seed.
Salt bay. Sesame seed bay.
Oh.
Stop it, man. Oh, no, stop it. The two of us are not being very helpful at all this morning.
Oh
We're
my
not
God.
being helpful. So when all of that is done, we put that together, and that itself is a wonderful meal. But what
A fulfilling meal.
other ways can we eat ourselves sexy? What is good for us? What should we focus on eating at this time, especially when we want to keep our immune systems properly
Well, we
boosted?
can focus on a lovely black forest smoothie. That smells good in here. Yes.
Look here.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, Carly. Oh my God.
Look here now, me and Dwayne vexing. I hope you know, so we vex. We vex over here. Watch out, Sugar, eat it in front of we doing.
I'm sharing, guys.
Sugar, eat it in front of we. Watch out.
This black forest smoothie is so delicious. It helps to build your immune system. And another thing, guys, because it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, this helps to support your breast health, your cancer cells, well, to reduce the cancer cells.
We're done.
Oh gosh.
I'm so done with Uno right now.
Trust me. It's all love. It's all love.
Yeah, love can't fool my belly, you know, I'm not telling no lie.
I'll try to leave some for you.
Oh gosh, man, you can do another one. You have more
No
sweet
problem,
than
no problem. We can do an
I think Sakina doing one some now, you know. Look at her go. You don't need pasta for this, guys. This is very easy. You can pick up all of these ingredients at your local supermarkets or your farmer's market. Make it is really nice and fresh, and it was done in less than 5 minutes.
Really?
This is
You know
delicious.
something?
Okay, for those of you who want the recipe,
I'm eating sexy back.
yes, girl, eat sexy back.
All right, so since we not eat off all the food in Amobe, the recipe is on the screen for everybody who's interested. Because right now, you know, to me not sitting on through this entire interview, me
Yeah,
vex. Me
I
hungry and me
understand.
vex are the worst combination for me.
You don't have to be. We have pastas on
No.
Saturday, every single Saturday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Right here at Abba's Cuisine. We are at
I'm not
Block
gonna make it
1
before
Bow
3.
Industrial Estate in Montego Bay. You can come on over. If you want, you can find us on Instagram at Abba's Cuisine or Bush and Water or at Chef Concrete Marshall. We're always posting new things on our menu. So come on over, find us on Instagram, follow us, contact us at 876-803-8873.
Okay, here's the thing.
Yummy Black Forest food it is.
I always bad up the producer and say we need food for the show. This is not what I meant when I said that.
We'll come in with food next time.
This is not what I meant. Come here,
I think we need to drive it up.
honestly,
We need
it
to
looks
drive it up.
wonderful,
We'll come in the
guys.
studio next time to cook you guys some food.
Thank you so much. And it does look wonderful. I'm sure if it tastes anything like it looks, I'm sure it's amazing. Thank you guys
You
so much.
have, you have to go. You have to go cook extra.
Firstly,
You have to go bring extra everything.
I'm
Extra.
a very fussy eater, and when I tell you this is good, it is absolutely great.
You're wicked. You're wicked.
I'm
You're
drinking
wicked.
myself sexy.
You're wicked.
All right, guys, thank you. Before we torture Dwayne anymore, we are so grateful for you stopping by,
Thank you
even
so
if it's
much.
virtually.
Wicked.
And if you're in Mobe, be sure to make a stop at Abba's Cuisine for Bush and Water's healthy meal choices.
Wicked.
It probably got done by 3 o'clock today. We're not going to make it by 3.
Wicked.
We soon come.
Wicked. Me
Oh,
can't
I'm
believe Kamika do
hungry.
this morning. Me can't. Like you realize I'm not saying nothing at all. Me vex, man.
Oh.
Kamika literally feel my belly.
Ooh, look at that. That's so pretty.
Eat.
Look at that. Look at that.
Me
Look at
see
that.
it, but me can't look on the food. Me eat with my eyes, you know. So something look appealing to my eyes.
Man,
My
that's
stomach I
pretty.
go.
That's nice.
You know why my stomach a while ago?
No, you need to listen to mine.
My stomach go. I'm hungry.
That's really pretty, but I'm starving.
Kamika, I'm done with you. As of today. Done.
Purifies the blood and the liver.
I'm done, man.
Reduces cholesterol, as Sonia would say. That's real pretty.